Hi all, welcome to new video of Horilla technical series. In this video, we will cover how we can add those custom shift requests that we created earlier inside Horilla profile view. So this is the Horilla profile view. The Horilla profile view for an employee will available inside the employees. Then when you open a record for an employee, okay. So here will be the Horilla profile will be for Abigail Roberts open. So here you can see multiple tabs like about, work type and shift request, blue permission, note, documents, mail logs, history, and so on. So let's see how we can add those custom shift requests list into this profile view tab. So to do that, first refer the already existing Horilla profile view tab configuration. So here you can see this is asset tab from the asset module. So here is our parent class called employee profile view. So let's import this view first. So basically this view exists at employee CBV employee profile, then employee profile view. So first import those import the employee profile view. So from employee.cbv employee profile import employee profile view. Yeah. Then the next part is mapping or adding tabs to the profile. So it's already existing for the employee. So for now we just need to do the mapping for our custom shift request listing. So here's the profile view dot add a tab. So okay, here is the asset tab. Here you can see the tabs. It will take list of dictionary items. Okay, let's put this over the shift request view. Then okay, the first item will be key will be the title for the tab dictionary. I'm providing it as custom shift request. Okay, then the view. We are mapping it with list view. Custom shift request list view dot as view. Then the accessibility for the view. For now, we can just remove this because we are planning to do it for available for all employees. Then yeah, one more thing, if I do like this, then it will be the reset will be for all employees. We don't need that to happen. So we need to create a child like class on request, then the or uh, on not on record request we can provide single person request. We can provide the name like this for now. Then inherit the parent class. Then we have to override the get query set function. To do that, def get query set. So you will be getting the ID from the request. I'll show you. For now, just print the request. Print self dot request dot get print. Okay. Okay, we will check that later. So this is the basic details to map a profile tab for Horilla profile view for employee. Now let's check what is actually happening over there. So I'm inside the profile view. I'm going to refresh. Okay, here you can see our custom shift request tab is added over here. When I click over there, yeah, here you can see all the list is available right now. We don't need to happen that. We only need the Adam Lewis records, the Abigail Roberts records to visible. inside the Abigail's cousin shift request tab. Okay, let's take the print that we just did. Sorry. We have to map the child to the view. Now let's restart the server. Then refresh. Okay, here you can see. Sorry, it will available inside the cogs, inside the URL params. So we simply need to print the cogs. Restart the server. Then reload. Oh, let's refresh. Okay, you can see PK tool. Basically, the tool is Arden Lewis ID. So we need to filter that record. Dot filter PK equal to self dot coax of PK. When I refresh, oh, let's restart the server first. Okay, now we'll refresh. Oh, my mistake. The PK will be the employee PK. So we filter the PK with shift request PK. We actually need to filter it with the employee ID. So when check the shift request model, the field name is employee ID. Employee ID, then PK. I think I wish this will solve this issue. Now, when you refresh, you can see the records is now actually correct inside Horilla profile view. So that's how you add additional tabs to the Horilla profile view. Okay, I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt, queries, you can ask it inside the comments. Thank you for watching.